Hi, I'm going to make the chicken with cabbage today. I have about 8 ounces of chicken. Then I put a pinch of salt and white pepper. Then I put 1 teaspoon of cooking lime, 1 teaspoon of curry powder. Then I'm going to mix well with it. Okay, looks good. Yeah, just leave it. Then I have about 6 ounces of cabbage, 3 ounces of jicama, 1 ounce of carrot, and ½ ounce of green onion, and 1 ounce of black fungus, 1 teaspoon of ginger. And for the sauce, I have 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce. Then I add about 1 tablespoon of soy sauce in it. Then you mix. Okay, then I'm going to be stir fry the chicken first. And I put a little bit oil in it. Then I add the chicken in it. Okay, the chicken looks good. Then I'm going to turn off the heat and remove it. Okay, using the same wok, so I put some ginger in it first. And the green onion. More oil. And I put the black fungus in it. Okay, then I'm going to add all the chicken in it. Then add all the sauce in it. Okay, this is all done. Okay, that's what I make today, the chicken with cabbage.